Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This is actually a test video during the afternoon session. So let's go and grab some food from the street. So this is actually a street food review, and yeah, this is one of the ultimate people's choice favorite street food, the kwek kwek. So this is worth 20 pesos, apat na peraso. And then this hot dog is worth 10 pesos. So total of 30 pesos. Ganyan ang kamahal ng street food ngayon, no? Imagine, dati lang magkano lang yan eh. 10 piso tatlo yung kwek kwek. When I was in high school. So this one is good. Sorry, inopen ko. Pero maganda kasi nakapitchel yung kanilang sauce. All you have to do is to put it in your cup. Hindi na magdidip para hindi nagsasawsawan din yung mga tao. So that's one act of cleanliness, diba? Bongga. Sarap. Actually, masarap to lalo na kapag mainit. Hindi lang masyadong kumukulo yung mantika ni kuya, kaya ayun, hindi ganun kainit. Pero ang sarap talaga ng kwek kwek. Pero wag nitong aaraw-arawin na. So another thing is proven. This is actually worth 20 pesos. Ilang piraso lang yan. Masarap yung proven kapag bagong luto kasi malutong siya. Tsaka mararamdaman mo yung linamnam niya talaga kapag bagong luto. Pero kapag lumamig na, painit mo na lang. Baka pwede naman, diba? So meron din yan dito sa amin. Next is siomai. So grabe, akala ko, sabi ko dito, bakit ang mahal ng siomai? This is worth 66 pesos for 6 pieces. Actually, I think this is a homemade one.